Hey everyone, welcome back to SS Beauty's YouTube channel. I'm Malaika and today we'll be diving into all things foundation. We'll be talking about how to choose the correct foundation for your skin type and undertone. Let's get started. The first step in finding the right foundation is knowing your skin type. Your skin type helps determine the texture and finish of the foundation that you will be using. So let's break it down. So there are 4 skin types: normal, dry, oily, and combination. If your skin feels comfortable and balanced, not too oily or dry, you can pretty much wear any foundation. So my recommendation would be the Shiseido foundation. It is lightweight and gives you a medium to full coverage. And the best part is, it also has SPF. And if you want to go for something light coverage, you can go for the Clinique Sheer Compact. It's great for frequent touch-ups. If you notice shine, especially in your T-zone, you probably have oily skin. Look for oil-free and matte foundation. This will help control shine and also help with your makeup last longer. So my recommendation would be the MAC Studio Fix foundation. It's a 24-hour matte foundation and helps control oil. The MAC Studio Fix foundation is a medium to buildable coverage. My second recommendation would be the Clarins Everlasting Foundation. It's a matte foundation but also hydrates your skin. The Clarins Everlasting Foundation is a weightless foundation and gives a full coverage. Dry skin can feel tight or rough on your skin and you might see flaking as well. You might want to use a foundation that is hydrating and gives a dewy finish. Look for foundations that add moisture to your skin while giving you a radiant look. So my first recommendation would be the Clinique Even Better foundation. It's infused with hyaluronic acid and vitamin C and also has SPF 20. The K-Beauty Hydrating Foundation is infused with avocado butter, mango butter and hyaluronic acid, which helps lock in moisture all day. The last skin type is combination skin. This is a mix of dry and oily skin. For example, your T-zone might be oily and the rest of your skin might be dry. For this, use a foundation that balances both. Use a foundation that's lightweight and gives you a high coverage to give an even finish. So my recommendation would be the Bobbi Brown Skin Tint. It's infused with vitamin E, which helps nourish your skin throughout the day, and it's also sweat resistant. And the MAC Studio Radiance Foundation is a serum-based foundation infused with jojoba oil and hyaluronic acid, which helps moisturize your skin and keep your makeup in place all day. So the next step is knowing your skin tone and undertone, 2 essential factors in picking the right foundation for yourself. Your skin tone is how light or dark your skin is. This usually falls in 4 categories: fair, medium, tan, and deep. Foundation shades are usually labeled under these categories to help you choose the closest match to your skin tone. Now, undertones can be a bit trickier. To make it easier for you, I have a hack. Just look at the veins on your wrist. So there are 3 types of undertones: warm undertone, cool undertone, and neutral undertone. So let's talk about cool undertones. If you have pink, blue, or purple hues to your skin, you have cool undertone. Look for a foundation with pink or blue base. If you have warm undertone, you will notice a golden, peach, or yellow hue under your skin. Foundation with yellow or golden base will complement your skin perfectly. If your skin is a mix of pink and yellow hues, you have neutral undertones. Neutral undertones can wear almost any foundation. So now that you know your skin type and undertone, how do you pick the right foundation? I will tell you. Always test your foundation on your jawline or neck to find the perfect shade for your skin tone, because these areas will match your skin tone better than cheeks or your hands. Apply a few stripes of foundation which you think are the closest match to your skin tone, blend it out, and check it in natural light. The right foundation should disappear into your skin and match your neck seamlessly. Now that you found the right foundation, let's talk about how you can apply it. You can use a beauty blender, a foundation brush, or even your fingers. Each tool gives a different finish. A foundation brush will give you a flawless airbrush finish. It's great for full coverage. A damp beauty blender will give you a natural dewy finish. This works great for lighter coverage and seamless blend. And if you're in a rush, applying your foundation with your fingers will give you a quick natural coverage. The warmth of your hands will help blend out the product into your skin. So there you have it, a quick guide to understanding your skin type, tone, and undertones to get the perfect foundation. Remember, the right foundation is all about the shade and formula that makes you feel confident and flawless. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or what foundation you love. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more beauty tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.